Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on FETCH.AI FET, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, or let's rather say AI cryptocurrencies. It is one of the cryptocurrencies, however, that's been in a correction since March 2024. Quite a long and drawn out correction. So the question is, will we see another rally? Can we see another all-time high in this cycle? And I'd say the possibility is there, but it's very important to understand what now needs to happen to give us a signal that this move to the upside has started. And the question might be, okay, where should we actually get to? You know, if there is another high, where could the price get to? And the previous high moved to around $3.41, or the price topped at around $3.41. The 123.6 Fibonacci extension, these levels are very, very important guidelines for us. Yeah, very important markers on the chart that tell us where the price could get to if we get another high. $4.85 and $6.22 are the next ones. Everything above that is really just a bonus. And first of all, we need a local trend reversal from down here to actually indicate that this move to the upside, which could be quite big, has actually started. So the local trend is still down because the correction has not concluded. Yeah, I would still be very much on the side of caution. At the same time, there is a decent reward to risk ratio from here, but I think it's important to understand that the price has dropped below very, very important support levels. And this is nearly like a now or never situation, because in such a correction, so the white scenario is the bullish one, and this would be a wave 4 correction here that started in March 2024, and such a wave 4 correction should not break below the 61.8 retracement, ideally not. This is not an invalidation point, but we've already seen the price break below that level. As you can see, that was at 52 cents. Then we said, okay, there is one more level we can watch, which is based on the internal structure, a target for this move down at 44.8 cents, and the price reacted to it. And this is therefore such an important time to be watching the market. I'm not saying we are reversing here, but it's time to be watching because the price has reached a very very important zone where really it's, as I said, pretty much like a now or never situation. If the bulls don't turn up, it really increases the risk that the price continues to drop all the way down to 20 cents or even 10 cents in the coming months. So we are at a key spot, and we'll take a quick look at the shorter time frame to see if there is any evidence for a local upside trend reversal. I think when you think about entering here, the market, obviously it's entirely up to you, but the local trend is still down. What has not happened from this low that occurred earlier in March, we have not seen a reliable reversal pattern. I see something like a wave 1 to the upside, an overshooting B wave in this correction, now a C wave down, which could be a wave 2. So the next rally could be a third wave, which could be quite a strong one. But please note that this is not high confidence until the market actually breaks above initial resistance. And that's at 51.2 cents. So I need a break above that level for an early indication a low is in. Until then, here, further downside remains likely. I still think, as per this roadmap, even one more low is likely, even in the yellow scenario, which is bullish. This shows our reversal pattern, but below 44.5 cents, another low in the white scenario will become very likely. At the same time, then, if that happens and the market breaks below 44.5 cents, it increases the risk of a drop all the way down to 20 cents. This is a potential upside reversal, but it's a low confidence scenario. I don't treat this as a reliable setup, and I would want to see first a break above 51.2 cents to consider that. Yeah, that's the update about FET. If you found it helpful, make sure you stay connected. Subscribe to the channel. We're building a global community on this channel. If you want to be part of it, make sure you subscribe. I wish you a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.